Hey y'all, and thanks for joining me for another Watch Cheryl Scrap. Today is day 25 of Scraptember and 30 Days of Sketches. Our sketch today is brought to us by Lottie Loves Paper. I actually did some pretty big changes to the template. I've been kind of going with the sketches as is, but on this particular one, I actually flipped it horizontally, and then I added a large photo at the title journaling spot, and then moved that those strips of journaling and the title down to the bottom. Our prompt for Scraptember is to use punches or dies, and I haven't got to the part where I've added them yet, but there will be some little scattering of stars and hearts that look like they come from a punch. And yeah, so that's my digital version of that. A little bit about the photos. These are our two pets. One is Holly Belle, the cat, and we've had her since 2010. The little pup is Piper, and we've had her actually, it'll be a year on the 30th of September. And so these two pets are actually just starting to get along. And you just saw me zoom in a little bit on those photos. The last photo is the one that cracks me up because they're gradually accepting each other in a shared space, and they were on my chair with me. And they're kind of looking away and looking at me, and I'm talking to them. The last photo, Piper is licking her lips, and it just happened to catch her tongue out, and Holly Bell has turned and looked at me and has her eyes pretty wide, like, is she gonna eat me? What's happening here? So I just thought it was very funny, and I decided to combine the humorous photos along with this fun collection by Pink Paislee called Wild Child. And this is, of course, the digital version that you can find at AC Digitals. And I'll have that linked in the description box below. So I've added the title, Feisty and Fierce, a little mischief, a lot of heart, sometimes sassy, sometimes sweet, and then let's be weird together. I'll add that at the top where I put the little tab for the date. There it goes, right up there at the top. And then I'll add in a tag and then the paper, layered papers behind there. That'll be my last edition. And here's the final layout. I hope you enjoyed watching me put this one together, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 26. Thanks. Bye.